So I'm going to show you how to make a window, something a little bit like this. We can see some objects down the bottom here. The glass is even refracting the light coming through. Shouldn't take too long. Edit mode, scale, Z, I'm going to subdivide, increase, and make some adjustments. Each select. 1, 2, scale X 2.5. Scale Y 2.5. Face select, delete that one, delete that one. Going to make the inside of my frame F to fill 3 more times, and then it's filled all that inside area in. Loop cuts, 2 of them, Control R, scroll up once. Nice loop cuts there. With edge select, Alt click, F to fill, hide all of those, deselect those. I'm going to get rid of my grid floor so it doesn't get in the way. Highlight all of that, F to fill. And with both of these highlighted, Control I, and that's inverted, and then I'm going to choose hide, H to hide, and that leaves me with these 2 planes. Now everything that's left, I'm going to separate. Choose special the spacebar and type separate, SEP, separate by selection, and now this is a new part. It's called Cube 001. So I'm going to rename that as glass, and the original cube is the window frame. So we can show that with show and hide there, and then glass, show, hide here. So I'm going to put some edges on here. 2, F, 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 and that's now made my window. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some materials. That's the main trick of how to do glass. So this part here, if you hover over it, it says materials. So I'm going to make new materials. Make sure you're in cycles. Split out a new window, go to nodes. So this over here is where my nodes are going to be. Click new, and I'm going to go to, on this side, material mode, and I can see what I'm doing. So this part, I'm going to make a new material, and this is going to be nice paint. I've already made some in a separate model, so I'm going to append that. So I'm going to clear out that material. File, append, got to be in object mode for this. And I've made a couple of different car paints here. So I'm going to use this one, come into the materials, and then choose car paint, and then append from library. If I make a new material slot by hitting this plus, I can choose existing materials. I've made some other ones that I'll show shortly later. But if I click this one here, car paint, and if I need to, in edit mode, I can assign those. So if I highlight all of that in edit mode, I think I've hidden that, Alt H, there it is. And then if I need to assign it, I can click assign in edit mode. The next thing I'm going to do is go to my glass, and in here I need to make a new material. I'm going to clear that out and make a brand new one. So hit plus for new, and I'm not loading one, I'm going to show you how to make it. So I'm going to change this diffuse to glass. So the easiest way is to choose over on the right hand side here, choose glass, BSDF. Alternatively, you could shift A and search glass here and then add it and connect it, but that's just up to you. If you want to make this tinted, you can change the color by dragging this down, and we can have a look and see what that appears like and rendered mode. Doesn't look like much because we can't see through, so I've made a few other objects to put in the background. And highlight all of these and then move them to my layer and come back to here. So I've got all these lovely objects ready to be viewed through my glass. So we can see there's a bit of refraction going on, and we can see that it's nice and tinted. If we think that's too tinted, just lighten it up a bit. You can see shadows and reflections. There's a good gloss coming off there from my sun. I hope all of this helps.